Hi everyone, this is Crystal Beshara. I've been practicing as a professional artist for the last 25 years. Oftentimes I'm called upon to send artwork from Canada to the US for temporary art exhibition. For example, a museum exhibition where the artwork does have value, but it may be returned to me should the pieces not sell. I am just an artist. I'm not a lawyer or a border or customs agent, so you might want to verify these sources just to make sure that all of the information is up to date. In the end, it is a really simple process, but the paperwork can be daunting if you don't have the information at hand.
Hi there, so I'm shipping artwork to the US for temporary exhibition. I've got 3 paintings that have been accepted into an exhibition at a museum there, and I'm shipping from Canada to the US. I'm trying to avoid any issues with the artwork coming back, so it's taken me a couple of days to ensure that I've got the right information. I also spoke with a Canada Border and Services agent, and all they mentioned was including a certificate of origin, which you can get signed from Carfax for a nominal fee if you're already a member. It's also available for a slightly higher fee for non-Carfax members, but this particular form is the B232, and you can
find it for free and fill it out online as well. So here's the information that you need to fill out your B232. For every painting, you're going to describe the goods and include the materials and what sort of paint you used. Then there are categories 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 that you need to fill out. For original paintings and drawings, you're going to use a specific HS tariff code, which indicates the type of export. And for original drawings and paintings, you're going to use code 97001100. Your preference criterion is A, which means it's going to be free. Your producer, yes. The net cost, no. Country of origin, Canada. Of course, you will then go to the bottom of the form and sign it and date it.
I've got that all filled out. I'm putting a copy inside my shipment along with a letter of invitation from the gallery and then the pieces in question. So I use Artwork Archive to inventory my work, and they've got a certificate of authenticity, so I've signed and dated everything to show where it was created and some of my contact information.
Now I'm going to keep copies of these documents inside my crate, but additionally I'm going to make 3 copies of my certificate of origin and place them in a clear envelope to staple to the exterior of my crate so that it can be easily accessed by customs and border agencies. I hope that this video is helpful. Please let me know in the comments below, and do check the links for some of the resources that I mentioned here.